finally get to show my car on the channel.
Sixteen. 16.
Lamborghini Espada. Haven't seen one in a good while. Pontiac GTO, and inside it's a Z28, the big old blower. That's cool. There's something. Oh. And there's a Pontiac GTO. Let me see if I can get a better shot of this one. Lowrider. And there goes my phone. Alright, we're gonna have to deal with this. There's an Aston, I think it's a Vantage. Looks to be. Oh, my camera quality is so bad. Clean lineup. Love that Pontiac. Oh, thank you, Waymo. We're up in the mountains, and finally I get to show my car on the channel. So I've had this car since November of 2024? Not November of 2024. And I didn't feature it on the channel yet. Since, well, it was occasionally on there. I did post some pictures, but I've never made a video on it, and I'll get to that real quick. But in May of last year, I was driving on the highway and my engine decided to overheat and basically blow up. So, I'll show you guys the new engine. It's still a factory engine, slightly older, but it's not clean, obviously. It's still all pretty much stock. But this is a 5.7 liter L98 V8 from Chevy, obviously. I haven't dynoed the new engine, but so far I've put about 800 miles on the new engine. So we're coming up pretty close on 1,000 with, with the new engine. And this was done within, I want to say about 10 months. So my engine blew up in May. in August, September is when we started building the new engine, started looking for the new engine and, you know, assembling it. And just last month, around, I think the 28th of May, I finally drove the car further out than from my house. So now, here she is. Oh, it's so beautiful. So the whole reason that I didn't necessarily upload videos with this car is, first of all, I don't have anything to like mount my phone with, like on my head. But second of all, I have been wanting to make a video with it, and there's a little area down here where I can place a phone holder. But because I left my phone holder in the Aston, I haven't been able to do that. So I haven't been able to do a full video on this yet, like how I did with the Aston. But once I do get my phone mount back, you guys can expect a video with this car, at least going through the mountains or something. But yeah, this is my 1989 Camaro IROC-Z with a brand new engine. Obviously, gotta support the Mr. Sheeps in the back from F-Spot. Yeah.